Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, what's going on, fellas? Welcome back to another episode in Believers Rebranded, the place where we grow, we learn, and we get better. So in today's video, guys, I'm gonna be walking you through this crazy lyrical lemonade type kit, drum kit, whatever you want to call it, man. But I'm telling you, man, this drum kit here, this package here, man, this is a bomb, bro. So if you're looking forward to actually making beats for Lil Uzi Vert, Lil Skies, or Lil Yachi, you know, all those type of artists, you know, this is a kit for you, man. This is a drum kit for you, man. It has everything. There's a lot of crazy things in here. There's 808s, there's claps, there's the FLP that I just played you guys. There are some nice, there's one FX which is nice as well. There's some hi-hats. There's some kicks, there's like 2 loops in here, there's some 2 midis, one of the midis that I actually used in making this FLP, and some percussion and snares. You know, I always got you, bro. So before we actually get into that, you know what you gotta do. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, guys, if you're digging the content, if you're digging the FLP that I just played you guys, make sure to leave some nice emojis in the comment section. All right, so without no further ado, let's go ahead and check out the FLP that I just played you guys. So this FLP that doesn't, you know, have a lot of things. Piano itself has a lot of, you know, has some crazy melody by itself. So I just had a piano and a pad, you know, to add some, you know, versatility in the beat. So let's go ahead and check it out. So for the piano, as you guys know, I don't always do like a lot of crazy stuff on my FLPs. So let me just walk you guys so you guys can see what happened. So there's this piano here. So I cut it 80 hertz. Then I reduced here a little bit where the kick comes in on 110 as always. Then I boosted around 26 hertz. 2600 hertz, 2653 hertz. So yeah, that's it. And then I have this JJP as always. I told you guys this is a nice plugin. I hope you guys actually checked it out. It's nice once you actually know how to use it. So one thing you have to learn about these plugins is that once you actually figure out on how to mix better, you know, you have to know what the plugin is actually doing for you, you know, in your mix. You know, not just putting the plugin there, you know, for the sake of it. You got to know what the plugin is doing in the mix. So apart from compression in this, I feel like this plugin adds a little bit of more, you know, harmonics, you know, some saturation a little bit. I usually feel it. Apart from just compression, there's other things that it adds to the mix. So as you can see here, this is self-explanatory. Let's move on. So, and then the pad, as always, the JJP here. I put it on the strings because, you know, I feel like the strings in the pad, they sit on one line. And the drums there. So on the drums, I have this R compressor. Yeah. Then for the piano and the pad, I sent it to one bus. I added a soft clipper as always. Then I have this chorus. It makes it sound, sound nice. You guys have already heard it. Then I have this DBX. This DBS is nice, man. A lot of people like to use it in the master, but I'm telling you, man, this shit is crazy, bro. Like, it has some nice, some nice tone to it, apart from the compressor part of it. As I told you, like, you got to know what the what the plugin is doing, for you, like, in the mix. So I feel like it adds a little bit of more tone to it, in the mix. So it added more tone to the instruments. Yeah, as you guys heard. So yeah, that's it. And then on the master, I have this Vitamins. Then I have Maximus as always. I told you guys I don't use it for compression. I just use it for stereo separation. Then I have a limiter. Then I have this plugin for just checking the levels, just to see where I'm at. Yeah, that's it. And then yeah, that's it, man. So that's it. So without no further ado, let's go ahead and open an empty project. As I told you guys, I can't load up my midis with this here. So let's go ahead and open a new project here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open
Believers Radio
one here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up Triton. So I want to show you guys the midis, then I'll show you the loops in that order. So yeah, let's go ahead and pull up a piano. So pull up any random piano. So let's use this classic piano right here. All right. So let's check out the midis. So let me start with the first MIDI here. All right. Let me just use 130 just to be. So this is a MIDI that I used in the FLP. I hope you guys remember that. And the second MIDI here. Yep. All right, the last MIDI. It's not really a MIDI, this is the pad. I just want you, I put it there because I wanted you guys to have the MIDI itself, the pad. So in case maybe you want to change anything, whatever, you can just have it. All right, so yeah. So let's check out the loops. All right, that's it for the first loop. The second. So yeah, that's it. That's it for that loop. That's it for that loop over there. So I didn't actually write the BPM for this, but in case you guys don't know how to check the BPM, let me show you how to do that. So you just come here, I detect tempo, you go between 50 to 100. You just check like that. So 70, it was actually 70, yeah. See? Fits in. So I guess both loops, I made them with 70 BPM, as you can see here. So yeah, that's it. That's it for that. So let's go ahead and check out the drums. So I'm gonna start from the snares here, going up.
Believers Radio
Believers Radio. 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 So yeah, that's it. That's it for that sauce, man. That's it for that sauce, bro. So yeah, I hope you guys actually like this kit. This kit, I'm telling you, bro, this is an assured guarantee that this is gonna change your sound, your mixes, you know, your beats. It's taking your beats to the next level as a producer. So I hope that you actually appreciate this and see and actually go do this yourself and see what's going on here, because I'm 100%. There's everything for everybody here. So I hope that you guys actually like this kit, the FLP, maybe learn, you know, grow from it. I hope, I'm sure there's a little bit of tricks that you can learn from the FLP, you know, maybe apply in your mixes and see what that can do for you. So yeah, that's it, man. So enjoy this kit, make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Believers Radio.